Alright, we're going to do a quick walk around the 2015 Forest River Surveyor. First I'm going to bring you to the outdoor kitchen area. What you can see has a stove, sink, and a mini fridge. It's also got plenty of storage down through here. And it's also got storage up here. Pretty nice little setup. Make our way around the back. You got your spare tire. There you go, you got your electrical plug. We will include the charging cable, or I'm sorry, the power cable with it. You got your first slide out here. Right here, you got your tank flushes, city water connection and cable. Right here, you have a exterior shower. Go way over here. You got your fresh water connection and some outdoor storage. Go way to the front, you got both of your batteries and your gas tank. Let's see, across here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and step up. I'm going to angle you towards the master bedroom area. So as you can see, mattress nice and clean. Plenty of storage on this side and up top. You got 4 bins. You got your speakers here in the master. Got your cable connection and power outlet, so you can mount a TV here if you'd like. You got cubby holes on either side of the bed there, and then you got your storage on that side as well. You have some storage up under the master bed. You just flip up the mattress, and there's a wood area down in there. So here you go, you got your living room area, your kitchen, your refrigerator. As you can see, it's all in very good shape. I've illustrated in the photos that this couch does lay down into a bed. This table folds down, you remove the legs, the table goes down, and you use your cushions to run it straight across for extra sleeping area. So bring you over here. Here's your cabinet space. Again, this one has a ton of storage. I'll show you your freezer and your fridge. See, all very clean. Bring you around to your entertainment section, where you've got a sound bar and a TV and DVD player. Also more storage there. Come up, you've got storage above the couch area, or dining area if you will. As you can see, the AC unit is running. I've got it on 65 and it's blowing really nice and cold in here right now. Let's see, you've got your oven, your stove top, and your microwave. Over here is some more storage up top. And you've got your sink. Doubles as a cutting board, and some storage underneath that. Make our way to the bathroom. So you get your toilet. It's actually a very, very spacious bathroom. Get your shower, your skylight. This bathroom has got a lot of storage as well. You open this up, I mean, it's huge. You can see my hand kind of in comparison. And above the sink, got all your toiletries, got your sink, and more cabinets there. And here's all your fresh water, gray water pump. Pump, more outlets. You can see all your lights work. I think that just about does it. If you have any other questions, feel free to email or call us. Super nice camper. Everything seems to work on it just fine. Tires are in great shape, which I've shown in the pictures as well. But yeah, again, if you have any further questions, just let us know. All right, thank you.